Today we're going to talk about public printing for the students. So if you have an item on your machine that you'd like to print, you can go to our website, law.uh.edu, click on Home, and click on My Printers. Then you'll type in your CougarNet information, which is your user ID, and just your user ID, and your password. Click Login. From here, you'll see what print jobs you have ready, or you can add a print job. Click Upload, and then search for the document that you would like to print and click Open. You'll see that it says Processing, and once it's complete, it's ready. At this point, you can go to one of the printers. Swipe your CougarNet card. Your print job will come up. Click Print. Now you wait for it to be printed.